Introduction. Are you aware that a mere handful of Haitians possess more than a vague grasp of their nation's history? This is not just problematic, it is a crisis of alarming proportions. The profound role that historical knowledge plays in the evolution of a land is indisputable. With a view to redress this grievous imbalance, Julien, through his 2004 compilation, entwined with the bicentennial celebration of Haitian independence, initiates a call to arms. This invitation, extended to each and every Haitian, is aimed at embarking on a monumental expedition through the annals of Haitian past. Regardless of your identity, black, multiracial, or white, resident of Haiti, immigrant, staunch Haitian, or newly naturalized in a foreign land, every Haitian is duty-bound and, moreover, obligated to delve into the wellspring of their homeland's history. Unified in purpose, we beseech time's gatekeeper, seeking a glimpse into eras long past. Only through an exhaustive exploration of history can we comprehend the richness that our forebears bequeathed to us. Only such a comprehensive encyclopedic inquiry can expose the nefarious deeds, the manifold transgressions, the unspeakable atrocities committed by many of our past spearheads. It's universally acknowledged, irrespective of the lands our Haitian brethren trail across, that our intrinsic worth is recognized. The Haitian is perceived as virtuous, and rightfully so. The onerous query that we now face is, what actions must we undertake to heal our Haiti? Friend, only our collective awakening born from deep-rooted historical cognizance can spark this enlightenment. Only a holistic appreciation of our past can illuminate the pathway to surmounting this formidable obstacle and reclaiming our dearly cherished Haiti.